Hi guys, so I'm not quite sure if I've ever done a what's in my gym bag video, and if I did and it's doing it the second time, I'm sorry. No Papa, no Jonathan, no. Alright, so this is my gym bag, and I just recently made the decision to like put all my gym stuff in one bag and like put everything else, like if I'm going on the road for the day and I'm going to the gym, then I put like my laptop, my books, my stuff that I need, my makeup bag and everything in the handbag that I carry in, and then just reserve it for my gym bag. Because what I used to do is just stuff everything into this bag, like my laptop, my shoes, my this, like everything. So let's get it done. This is my gym bag. It's just a Puma bag and it's grey. First thing that I see is the towel that I use, and I use it to like spread on like the, what you call them, like the machines, or like spread on the floor. Some people have some big dirty beach towel. If that's you, that's you, boo. But I don't need such a big towel, and because I'm thinking about space too, and because I have to have two bags with me, I don't want to what you call it now, like heavy down the bag. Alright, so next is the sports bra, and this one I hauled for you guys in my fitness haul. This one is from Zaful. So that's that. Jonathan, no. Then I have my socks. They're more like stockings though, like stocking socks. So I have these. Then I have my gloves because I do weight training mostly when I go to the gym. Not mostly, I only do weight training when I go to the gym. So I have my gloves because sometimes the machine is just, and they're giving me like can, I'm on a can. You guys call it callus. We don't call it callus in Jamaica, we call it can. I don't want no can. So I bought these gloves. And they're okay. I just feel like it should be a little bit thicker, and I want it to be longer. So because sometimes when I grip the weight, it kind of rolls down to my finger, and like this area of my hand is, my fingers are unprotected. So I'd prefer if this was longer. I don't know, maybe wink wink. I don't know what I'm winking, I don't know. Alright, so then my fitness belt, and these ones will be launching soon. Still testing it out. It works perfectly and I'm completely in love with it. I love the design, I love how it folds and wraps you in, I love the material that makes it. It's just, you know how you have like the ones that make you sweat, like the material, this one is made up of that material entirely, so I love that. Alright, so next I have my Albaline in here, and I use this to now because I'm so bloated for the past couple of weeks. I don't know what's going on. Been drinking my flat tummy tea, I get relief, then I'm all filled up again. I don't know if my body's, I don't know what's going on. But yes, I have my Albaline and my saran wrap. Yeah, and my saran wrap. So I put this on and then wrap myself, and what that does, it helps you to sweat more in the area that you wrap with. And it helps, I wrap it around my belly because it helps with the water retention. So it helps me to get rid of the water retention in my abdominal area. Alright, so then in the big part is my shoes. And you guys know my shoes. It's the same shoes that I wear to the hill. And this is the Fenty. You see how they're dirty? And then I have socks in there as well. So I have two types of socks. I don't know why. I must have trust issues with socks. But yes, I have that. I don't want to tie the bag too tight because sometimes I have to end up ripping the bags because I tie them too tight. So yeah, so that's that. And in the big part again, I actually have the what I'll be wearing to the gym, and it's like a jumpsuit, and this one is from Body High International, and it has the low back there. And this one is really big for me, and this is a medium. I think I need an extra small in this because this is really big for me being a medium, and it's just a little bit below my knee. So that's what the bodysuit. And then I have the stuff because my hair is wrapped, and most times when I go to the gym I have my hair wrapped when I go. So I tie my hair with my head with this headband, and then I put on my hat, and when you're a girl I put it on, and then yeah, that's my head covered because my hair don't comb underneath it. I can't go to the gym looking at it. Alright, so like in the corner here is that random stuff like screen gym, USB, mint. Oh, on this side over here I have the key card access for the gym. I got to Lifestyle Fitness here in Portmore, so this is that. And then what else? I have my my Polar system. This is what I use to track my heart rate, but most importantly to track my calories burnt. I really only got it for the calories burnt, but then I learned that I could do. But I learned that it could also track your heart rate as well, which is pretty cool. So I love what you call it, no, speeding up my heart rate, then slowing it down. It's really good for hit cardio, for hit, and it's really good for fat burning as well, because it's that whenever you speed up your whenever you speed up your heart rate, you burn more fat, then you bring it down, and speed up, then bring it down. It's a form of hit, so you know, whatever. And then this is what you wrap around you, and it's so these two work together, so you can't just get the watch and say, oh yes, I'm doing it. You have to get this, and when you buy them, they come together, so you don't buy them separately, they come together. And that is it for the bag. In there, I'm just have some camphor bag because I don't know myself to gym, so I have all smells. But yes, so that's it, you guys, of what's in my gym bag. I hope this video was pretty cool for you guys. A little fitness update. I started the gym 3 weeks ago, and this week is my last. I just have a couple of days left, and I don't think I have like a physique update, but I see like where my quads are coming out, the cellulite for the on the back of my thighs are disappearing, my shoulders are getting a little bit broader, my back fat is decreasing. What I'm working on now is because I think I have loose skin. Stop. So I think I have loose skin, not quite sure. I don't have like, oh my goodness, I left my deodorant, I have to go grab my deodorant. But I don't have like severe loose skin where I can twist it and turn it and stuff. It's just loose and like flabby, you know. So I think it's loose skin. I don't know, it may or may not. I've recently learned that I am of a specific body type. You have three. You have endomorph, I think it's called ectomorph, and mesomorph. And I learned that I'm an endomorph. And for people like me, it's very hard for us to lose weight. We gain weight easily, but we also gain muscle easily, it says. And the Gauge Girl training, she's the one who's teaching me all of this. So yeah, I'm learning a lot about my body, being on this weight loss journey, what I should do, shouldn't do. I'm learning about things that bloat me, and it's just one big learning experience, and it kind of gets overwhelming at times. But yeah, so this is my gym stuff, not my heel stuff. My heel stuff is completely minimalistic. I still wear the shoes, but yes, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.